Hello, welcome to another wiki procedure, and today we're going to look on how you can apply for a specific trade, business or consultancy permit in Kenya. Down here below, we have given you a link which is going to direct you to our wiki procedure website page where we have given you detailed information on how you can go about the application process. Additionally, on the right hand side of our screen, we have given you a select language option through which you can choose the language which you easily understand or comprehend, and you can do this by clicking on this downward pointing arrow and choosing the language of your option. For example, by choosing Swahili, all the information on our wiki procedure website page will be translated to Swahili and will be displayed to Swahili, and you can easily read through the instructions or information in Swahili, and you can easily revert back to English by clicking on the downward pointing arrow and choosing English. We've also included external links to other websites which you can visit and get more information on how you can go about the application process. Additionally, we've included links to external websites or online platforms which you're going to visit, more specifically the Foreign National Services or EFNS and the e-citizen platform, which you're going to visit and register, and we are going to see how we are going to make our application using this platform. This is the e-citizens platform, and this is the electronic foreign national service platform. We are going to go through these processes as we move on with our presentation today, but before we move on, I'll urge you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe and the notification button so you can get notifications every time we upload new content on our YouTube channel. So let's get back to our presentation. The list of items which we're going to cover in this session include the need for the permit, which is the specific trade, business or consultancy permit, the eligibility criteria, the required documents, steps to follow in making the application, the fees, validity period, processing time, office location and contact information, and any other information that we may find relevant to make our applications. And this presentation is brought to you by wikiprocedure.com. So let's see the need for the specific trade, business or consultancy permit. This permit is issued to persons who intend to engage, whether alone or in partnership, in a specific trade, business or consultancy or profession other than a prescribed profession in Kenya. In short, they are not to engage in any income generating activity in Kenya. The eligibility criteria is as follows. This person should have obtained any license, registration or other authority or permission that may be necessary for the purpose of carrying out specific trade, business or consultancy. This person in his own right and his all free disposition should have sufficient capital and other resources for the purpose of carrying out a specific trade or business or consultancy in Kenya, and whose engagement in trade and business or consultancy or profession opinion will benefit Kenya. The required documents are as follows. You need first of all a duly filled and signed form number 25, 2 copies of a detailed signed cover letter from an employer organization addressed to the Director of Immigration Services, copy of a valid national passport, 2 recent passport size photograph, current immigration status of the country, copy of any previous permit or passes held, documentary proof of at least $100,000 US dollars for investment, certificate of incorporation of a company, memorandum of understanding, article of association, shareholding certificate of that's a CR12. We have a video showing how you can get a CR12. That's a business incorporation certificate. Copies of the PIN certificate and 2 copies of bank statement verification form. You can download it through this link right here, and proof of offshore transaction receipt or slip. Steps to follow in making the application are as follows. This permit is issued to persons who intend to engage, whether alone or in partnership, in a specific trade or business, consultancy or profession other than a prescribed profession. You can check out our prescribed profession video so you can know the difference. And the permit is known as a Class G. which is a specific trade, business, or consultancy. The first step is to register with the EFNS, which is the Electronic Foreign National Services Portal. After that, just click on the create icon account to register your account. So you'll need to fill in your personal details so as to register. After that, once you have registered, click on the submit application tab and click on the submit new applications, which will direct you to the next page where under the permit and passes section, click on the apply now link, which will direct you to the permit insurance and renewal tab. After this, you'll be directed to the next page where you're supposed to click on the class G, which is the specific trade, business, and consultancy tab. This will direct you to the next page where you're supposed to read the instruction carefully and make sure you have all the required documents. Then click on the apply now button, which will direct you to the next page where you're supposed to fill in the details and upload supporting documents. Then click on the save button. After filling all the required details accordingly and uploading all the required documents, you'll be directed to the next step where you can print your application form and make payments. And once you have done this, you can you can see your invoice which has been generated after approval, which is immediate, by clicking on the dashboard and then the payments tab. Click on the wallet icon to make your payment through the provided payment methods, and the processing fee is 10,000 shillings. And after that, just print the acknowledgement receipt, which will be sent to your email address, and also print the online application form and present both of them together with all the required documents to the immigration offices. If you are applying in Kenya, go to the headquarters in your house or the regional offices, or if you are applying from abroad, go to your embassy, Kenyan embassy or missions abroad. After that, you shall receive notifications through your email and your online account about the progress of your application. Upon approval of your application, you are required to pay the insurance fee of 100,000 Kenyan shillings, and this fee is to be paid annually if you are going to carry out your business per annum. After the payment of the issuance fee, you will receive notifications of how to collect your permit through your EFNS account. So let's just see how this is done online. The application online is quite simple. So the first step, I'll urge you to make sure you've registered to the eCitizen account. This will facilitate the payment. So we have a video showing how you can register to the eCitizen account. You can check out that video, but it's quite simple. Just key in www.ecitizen.go.ke and then click on the create account icon. This is going to direct you to the next page, and you can click on create an account as an e-visa visitor or a foreign resident depending on your status, and from there you'll be directed to the next page where you're supposed to give your details and your nationality, your mobile number, your email address. Click on the confirm button. This is going to send a confirmation link to your email address. So go to email address and click on the confirmation link. By clicking on the confirmation link, you'll be directed to the login page, and using your email address which you have registered with and the password, click login, and you'll be directed to your new dashboard, your eCitizen dashboard. Once you're here, just leave this open and go to your open a new tab and enter efns.immigration.go.ke, and this is going to direct you to this home page. Once you're here, click on the apply now icon, and this is going to direct you to the next page. Then click on the eCitizen login using eCitizen account. By clicking on this, you're going to link your eCitizen account and your EFNS account, and you're going to link these two accounts. By linking these two accounts, you'll be able to use your eCitizen account to pay for any payment due in your EFNS account. After this, by clicking this, you'll be directed to the next page, and the foreign national management will ask if you want to link the two accounts. So just click allow. By clicking allow, now you'll have registered for the EFNS account, and you will have linked the two accounts. Once you're here, under the submission tab, just click on submit new applications, and by clicking this you'll be directed to the new to a new page. And permit issuance and renewal tab, just click to the apply now tab. By clicking this, you'll be directed to the new page, and you'll be directed to the new page or to this new page. And once you're here, just go to the class G which is the specific trade, business and consultancy tab, and click on the learn more button. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to the new page, which you're supposed to read the instructions. Make sure you have all the required documents, and if you have all the required documents and you've understood all the instructions, click the apply now button, which is going to lead you to the application form. Fill in all the required information. The most important, click the new application, because the new application, fill in the required documents, your passport details, your residency, your physical location, upload your passport, then click save. By clicking save, you'll be directed to the next page where you're supposed to list your dependents. If you have any dependents, you can list them there. If you don't have, you can just leave it blank. List previous permits held if you have any permit held. If you don't have, just leave it blank. List previous permit which have been declined. If you don't have any permit which has been declined, you can just leave it blank and just click on proceed, which will direct you to the next page. And here you're supposed to enter which specific business you want to do. Maybe you want to do consultancy. Maybe you want to consult. Just type consultancy there in type of business, name of business, the business location, the cash which you have to invest in, and fill in the information. After that, this is most important. This is a class G application. So for class G application, you only need to upload the proof of capital. You don't need to upload any academic qualification or technical qualification. So just upload that you have the $100,000 and click on apply. And after that, this is going to direct you to the next page, which you can click. You're supposed to click here to print and pay. So you can just click here and you can print. By clicking on this icon, you'll be able to print the document which you are supposed to submit. And by paying, just click on the dashboard. By clicking on the dashboard, you'll be directed to this page. In this page, click on the invoice and payment, which will direct you. Let's just click on invoice and payment, direct you to this page. Once you're in this page, click on this wallet icon. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to this page, which now you can do your payment. As you've seen, the initial payments is 30,000 shillings for processing, which is easy for you to pay. And before we finish, let me just, there is one thing under the document section. You can under the document section, when you click the electronic EFNS portal, it will direct you to the home page. So make sure you have your eCitizen account on, or you don't close your eCitizen account, and this is the only way you'll be able to make the payment, because as you can see, you are going to pay through the eCitizen account. So choose either one of the methods of payment here. So you can pay through M-Pesa, RTGS, or any of the payments methods. After that, we have explained all the processes. You receive confirmation of your payment and the way forward. So let's just move. The processing fee is 10,000. Issuance fee is 100,000 per year, and the issuance fee is payable upon approval, and renewal should be done 3 months before. The validity period is 1 year. The process time is 14 days. Contact information and office location: the Department of Immigration Service. They're located at Nya House. You can visit them through www.immigration.go.ke. In Mombasa, they are located at the PC's office building. In Kisumu, they are at the new provincial headquarters, and their online platform is fns.immigration.go.ke. Other information is that any document that is in a foreign language should be translated into English either by the embassy, public notary, or an authorized or recognized institution. So thank you for watching this presentation. But before we conclude, I'll urge you once again, click on the like button, the subscribe, and also the notification bell so you can get notifications every time we upload new content. So thank you for watching our video. I wish you all the best. Have a good day.